The Geodesic Chicken Coop by Zip Tie Domes. 12 reasons why it's the best chicken tractor for pastured poultry. Reason number 1, it's easy to build. Just use the heavy-duty zip ties to hold the struts to our patented locking hubs. No tools are needed, just zip ties. This PVC Geodesic Chicken Coop is so easy to build, even a child could do it.
Good job!
Building a standard wooden chicken coop requires a lot of tools and the skills to use these tools, and you need a shop or a place to cut the wood to the correct size. This Geodesic Dome chicken coop is already cut and ready to assemble. You just pull on the zip ties. It comes with everything you need to build it yourself. The second reason it's a good investment for a chicken tractor is that you can move it yourself. You don't need a dolly or any other kind of tool to pick it up. Just flex the edges and pull the dome around. Now I could go faster, but I don't want to crush the birds on the back side of the dome. So that's why I'm not pulling it straight across the ground. This is the 11-foot dome that's 5.5 feet tall in the center. Here's the 16-foot dome that is 8 feet tall in the center. A geodesic dome is one of the strongest designs known to man, which allows a geodesic chicken coop to be so lightweight that you can easily move it yourself. The geodesic chicken coop has round hubs at the bottom of the dome to help you slide it over the grass. These wooden chicken coops are so heavy that you can't move them without a tractor or a tow motor or even a team of mules. They will get stuck to the ground. And when they are not moved, they are unsanitary and create diseases like chicken mites and other diseases. These stationary coops will become full of chicken poop, which will create a bad smell even for your neighbors. It's much better to have a movable geodesic dome chicken tractor that you can move yourself every day to give your chickens fresh grass so they can be healthy. This 11-foot geodesic chicken coop weighs only 80 pounds, so it's easy to slide over the grass, and it has 102 square feet of floor space for raising 20 to 40 chickens. This 16-foot geodesic chicken coop weighs 113 pounds and has over 222 square feet of floor space and is perfect for raising 50 to 100 chickens. Yeah. The third reason the Geodesic Dome chicken coop is a great idea is because it's one of the strongest designs known to man. With triangles made from PVC pipe and connected to form a sphere, this is the strongest design possible for a chicken coop and will support over 180 pounds from a single hub. The fourth reason is the Geodesic chicken coop is tall enough to walk inside. The Geodesic chicken coop is tall enough that you can easily walk inside to work with your chickens and refill your feeders and waterers. This is much better than these wooden coops that are only 2 feet tall that you have to crawl in on your belly to do anything. The fifth reason is the Geodesic chicken coop is large enough for a large flock. Most wooden coops can only hold 2 or 4 chickens. The 11-foot Geodesic chicken coop has 102 square feet of floor space to raise 20 to 40 chickens. The 16-foot Geodesic chicken coop has 222 square feet for raising 50 to 100 chickens. These large sizes make it very affordable to build one large Geodesic chicken coop, that is, to buy several smaller wooden coops. The sixth reason is the Geodesic chicken coop is safer than free-ranging your chickens. This movable geodesic dome chicken coop is much safer for your chickens than free-ranging them outside without protection. Free-ranging chickens out in the open can be killed by aerial predators like chicken hawks, or even your neighbor's dogs. Free-ranging chickens can also fly over your fence and cause neighbor problems, and they can be hit by a car and potentially cause damage to someone's car. For safety, chickens need to be confined, but they also need the benefits of free-ranging on fresh grass every day. So you don't need to put your chickens on a leash. As a geodesic dome chicken tractor is the perfect solution. The chickens are confined, yet they can still free-range and eat the bugs, grass, and scratch in the dirt, while being allowed to access fresh grass every day. The seventh reason the Geodesic Dome chicken tractor is a great idea is it produces better eggs. Free-ranging chickens will hide their eggs outside where you cannot find them, and a lot of times they go bad out there. In a Geodesic Dome chicken coop, they can only lay eggs directly on the fresh grass or in a plastic laundry basket attached to the side of the dome. And your eggs in a Geodesic Dome chicken coop with fresh grass will be much cleaner than the eggs laid with all the chicken poop in a standard stationary coop. And these grass-fed eggs will taste much better. Here are 2 eggs. The one on the right has a darker yolk, as it is grass-fed and tastes better. The one on the left is not grass-fed and has an average bland taste, and it's what you can get at the grocery store. Why raise eggs like the ones on the left at home with a light-colored yolk and no taste when you can buy the same type of egg at the grocery store that was raised in some factory farm? If you're going to raise chickens for their eggs, it makes sense to raise them on grass in a Geodesic Dome chicken coop to have these better-tasting eggs. The 8th reason is the Geodesic Dome chicken tractor will not rot or break. Our PVC Geodesic Dome chicken coops are guaranteed not to rot or come apart. Wooden chicken coops will rot and fall apart, usually by the 2nd year. These rectangular chicken coops, made from PVC pipe and plumbing joints, their rectangular design will put enough leverage on the struts to break the pipes. They're just not as strong as a Geodesic Dome. This 13-foot Geodesic Dome chicken coop will support my weight of 240 pounds from a single hub. No other PVC chicken coop is this strong, and you won't see somebody doing chin-ups on a regular PVC chicken coop. All the parts for our domes are guaranteed against defects for 2 years. The 9th reason it's a great idea is this is the lowest cost per square foot for any chicken coops. Wooden chicken coops are too small, and they cost too much per chicken or for a square foot of floor space. Our 16-foot Geodesic chicken coop has 222 square feet of floor space, and it costs $615 with everything pre-cut and ready to assemble. This comes out to $2.77 per square foot. When you add a 150-foot roll of 4-foot chicken wire for $101, that brings it up to $3.22 a square foot, which is a much better deal than any other chicken coop. The 10th reason is that the chickens cannot crowd up in a corner and suffocate in a Geodesic Dome. If you raise chickens in a wooden coop, you will know that on a cold night, your chicks can crowd up into the corner of the coop and smother themselves. To stay warm, they'll pile up into a corner, and the chicks on the bottom will die from suffocation. Not so in a Geodesic Dome, as there's no corners in a Geodesic Dome, so there's no place for the baby chicks or ducks to crowd up and smother themselves. The 11th reason is you can add the Geodesic chicken coop as an addition to your wooden coop. So what if you already have a wooden chicken coop? Here's what our customer Jamie Meredith did. He attached his zip-tie dome to his chicken coop using a wire chicken tunnels. When Jamie moves his zip-tie domes, the chicken tunnels move with it, providing a safe and secure way for the chickens to move from the coop to the movable dome. Mary Haynes put her chicken coop on wheels and then inside a zip-tie dome. This lets her move her coop and her dome around her yard to give fresh grass for the chickens. But you really don't need a wooden coop, even in the winter. Dave Sable puts a plastic sheet over his dome that lets him keep his chickens warm throughout the entire winter. This is the perfect solution for raising chickens. And the 12th and last reason is a Geodesic chicken coop will fertilize your lawn. You move the coop each day for healthy chickens and a healthy lawn. The chickens will spread their manure evenly over your lawn to create healthy soil. We have a lot of pictures from our customer reviews. Check out our list of over 180 customer reviews at www.ziptiedomes.com. Thanks.